are celebrating Ruya Rose Day today.
And we are agents of Wish.
Love as in love is like a really, that's a very big emotion.
Family love, friendship love, and girlfriend love. Love. दिल में जब घंटी बजती है और गिटार बजता है.
Like even if I shut up and sit with a person and it's not awkward for me there, maybe that's love for me.
Many of my friends who were my best friends, I made them come into relationships, but I have even seen them breaking apart.
You can wear an old t-shirt and still look like a Victoria's Secret model, and that person still thinks you're gorgeous.
Love you यार. I love you too. ये normal होता ही है.
Just in a kind of expression, I would just express it by giving it a hug.
I have never cuddled or something. I have had crushes. People have had crushes on me, but it hasn't really materialized yet.
A movie with her, definitely not in theater, at home.
Rose Day is an event, a day where you can express your feelings.
बहुत कुछ बता सकते हैं जिसको हम लोग एकदम दिल से प्यार करते हैं and all. We can make him feel special.
During Rose Day, what happens is that there are thousands of people who individually might think that way, but on that particular day they come together and you have the same feeling for somebody else.
I would just sleep with her on the grass, look at the sky. The sky is moving like this, and we would just hold our hands together and have a great time.
In our college, we've got public from everything. Like you've got gays, lesbians, bisexuals, everyone. But again, being in India, being in Mumbai, people are not being very vocal about it.
Because I wanted to make videos, so I came up with this thing that okay, let's describe a guy. Like let's enter in the brain of a guy who's very lonely, and that feeling is universal. You don't have to be an LGBT, you don't have to be a gay, you don't have to be anything to have that emotion. Everyone at some point of their life have experienced that. And at the end, when he accepted me, the theme is justified at inclusiveness.
We do not restrict ourselves to the love of a girl with a guy or a guy with a girl.
We don't want to discriminate it as LGBT or straight love or something like that.
Love for all and love for all kinds of love.
It's all, it's inclusiveness.
When there is love, equally there is jealousy. It equates to hatred, it equates to missing, it equates to everything. So why just get into love and just avoid the other things which are a part of love?
Sunny card will stand for friendship.
Then
There's a hate card. If you hate someone, this is the love card. This is blush card, and
this is the bouquet card. It can either be anonymous or the person can put the name as well as the class and we put it in, and accordingly we distribute it afterwards once Rose Day gets over, so that
you just dare to write the name and we'll do the work.
Yeah, it's a secret card, so nobody knows who is going to get what.
Very much confidential.
And by the hate card,
Crush card.
Sunny card. Love card.
I love your smile. I love your walk. I love you.
किसी को बोला है but I don't know वो क्या सोचेगा. I'm waiting. I'm in love with so many people. Now I can't buy one for each and every person I love, na.
Look at this.
Wow. I don't love you, but I do like you. Keep this as your DP and I will reveal myself.
You complete me.
And this is damn special.
These are two contradictory cards, what the hell?
And I'm accepting his love because love is a feeling and that feeling is important.